Hi, I'm Melody from Renew Window Cleaning, and
I'm Fox.
so we're just going to talk a little bit about when you should get your windows cleaned. A lot of people wonder about that, and actually we live in a place that has seasons, and there's a reason for each season. So Fox, do you want to talk about spring? Why would you do that in the
Sure.
spring?
So spring, obviously, you've got your spring cleanings. After snow, sometimes you get salt kicked up, all sorts of just crud that ends up on your windows. Doing it at the beginning of spring is going to be a wonderful way to actually get that fresh light in, get rid of the gunk that snow can kind of happens on your windows, and really make sure you're getting that full light power in the beginning of spring, which also means generally it's going to help with that passive heating as it starts warming up.
And if you have storm windows, we will switch your screens down
Of
for
course, put
after the
you in
winter.
summer positions.
Speaking of summer, the biggest reason to get your windows cleaned in the summer is basically this right here. That we have an area where there's so much pollen. We are in a farming communities around here. You want to wait until the pollen is over. Usually that's not until like mid to late June. And once that pollen is gone, if you're in a high pollen area, you're going to have a very clean window for a very long time. So I'll let you take fall.
Sure. Fall is a great time. Again, you're getting ready for winter, so we can help you switch out to put your storms back on, especially if it's late fall. We're going to help clean up again all the view, make sure you're getting as much sunlight in as possible so you can up that passive heating as you kind of get into the winter months. And of course, just get that last layer of that summer grime that can happen.
And prepping for holidays. Everybody wants holiday window cleaning.
Prepping for all your events.
Yeah. And then, winter time actually is when I clean my windows at my house. I don't love winter so much. I need more light than winter provides. So I like to have as much light entering. I take out all the window screens, I clean the windows, and then really because of the low winter light, you get so much more light coming into your house. It makes such a difference, especially if you have something like seasonal affective disorder. It really can help tremendously. So I hope that we have answered your questions about the best season for you. And if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us at renewwindowcleaning.com.
Thanks, y'all.